What if you could take nothing but a dusty old laptop or phone and turn it into a crypto-generating machine that gets you free Bitcoin on autopilot? Well, if you like the sound of that, I have great news for you. We figured out how to generate around $93.77 every single hour in Bitcoin using nothing but our laptops or phones. And this Bitcoin comes in on complete autopilot. Crypto has allowed thousands of ordinary people just like you to quit their jobs, creating both millionaires and even billionaires. And now you have the chance to get in on the action with CryptoPayz. CryptoPayz is the world's first app that lets you earn free Bitcoin from the comfort of your own home using nothing but a computer or your smartphone. That's it. And absolutely zero expenses are required. No expensive mining equipment, no powerful computer needed, none of those expensive headaches. All it takes is just 3 clicks to get started. Click number 1, log in. Access CryptoPayz online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Click number 2, turn on the crypto extraction technology with just 1 click. Zero mining or trading is required. Click number 3, enjoy daily deposits of Bitcoin and Ethereum for free. You can sell the crypto for money whenever you want. And that's it. There's nothing else to do. Simply fire up CryptoPayz on your device of choice, phone or computer, and you get to receive daily Bitcoin payments for absolutely zero cost at all. This means there's no paying for domains, paying for hosting, paying for traffic, and zero additional expenses. The best part? Zero trading or risk is involved. You don't have to do anything like trading. You can receive both Bitcoin and Ethereum, hold on to it for potential gain, or you could sell it at any moment for real spendable cash. It's really up to you. There is zero risk required to receive the cryptocurrency. By now, you might be interested in CryptoPayz, but you might be wondering, how much is this going to end up costing me? Well, originally we planned on charging $197 per month to the public. After all, that's a super low price for a system that lets you turn any device into a crypto extraction machine that gets you Bitcoin and Ethereum for absolutely free. At that price, it would quickly pay for itself. Let's face it though, that's a lot of money to put up front. But instead of charging you $197 a month or $2,364 a year, I'm going to make you a special offer. You're not going to pay anywhere near $197 a month. Heck, you won't even pay monthly at all. If you pick up a copy of CryptoPayz right now, you'll pay just a low one-time investment that gets you full access to CryptoPayz, and there are zero extra fees involved here. So right after you take action, you can begin receiving Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, time is of the essence here. I wish I could say that you've got all day, but you don't. To ensure that our servers continue running smoothly, we will be limiting the number of people who can take advantage of this large discount. So, if you like the sound of receiving free Bitcoin and Ethereum from the comfort of your own home, then don't delay. You'll need to act right now, or else someone else with faster fingers will grab your spot. Are you ready to start crushing it? Then without further delay, get started right now with CryptoPayz, and you'll be receiving cryptocurrency in no time. Also, there is no risk on your end with our 365-day money-back guarantee. I'm going to make it impossible for you to lose here. Okay, so here's the deal. If you try out CryptoPayz and if you aren't able to receive free Bitcoin or Ethereum, then that's our fault. Just let us know within 365 days and we've got you covered. We'll refund you every penny in good faith without hesitation. The customer is king in our eyes, and for wasting your time, we'll even throw in $200. Either way, you end up winning. There is no way for you to lose. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of CryptoPayz at the lowest possible price. We'll see you inside.